Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Today we're looking at a, an and the. Listen to this sentence. I had a sandwich and an apple for lunch. The sandwich wasn't very nice, but the apple was delicious. In the first sentence, I said a sandwich and an apple because it was the first time that I mentioned them. In the second sentence, I changed it to the sandwich and the apple because now we know which sandwich and which apple I mean. The sandwich and the apple that I had for lunch. Another example. A man and a woman were sitting opposite me in a restaurant the other day. The man was British, but I think the woman was German. Or, when we were on holiday, we stayed at a hotel. Sometimes we ate at the hotel, and sometimes we ate at a restaurant. English grammar, when to use a, an, and the. It's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.